Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English with Kareem. Today, we're talking about one of the most exciting topics in the world. Will artificial intelligence become smarter than humans one day?
That's a fascinating question, Kareem. AI is already helping people write, translate languages, create images, drive cars, and even answer difficult questions.
Every year, technology becomes more advanced. Some experts believe AI will continue improving very quickly. But can it ever think, learn, and make decisions better than humans?
Some people are excited about the future of AI because it can make our lives easier. Others worry that it could replace many jobs or become too powerful.
So, should we be excited or should we be worried?
Stay with us until the end because today we'll explore one of the biggest questions about the future and discover what AI might really mean for humanity.
Let's get started. Sarah, artificial intelligence has improved incredibly fast over the last few years. Today, AI can write stories, translate languages, recognize faces, create music, generate images, and even help doctors detect diseases. It's becoming a part of our everyday lives.
That's true, Kareem. Millions of people use AI every day, sometimes without even realizing it. When we use navigation apps, online shopping recommendations, voice assistants, or language learning tools, AI is often working behind the scenes.
Many people say AI is becoming smarter every year. It learns from huge amounts of information and can solve problems much faster than humans in some situations. But does that really mean it's smarter than us?
Not necessarily. AI is excellent at analyzing data, finding patterns, and completing specific tasks. However, humans still have creativity, empathy, imagination, and the ability to understand complex feelings and relationships.
That's a good point. AI can answer questions quickly, but it doesn't experience happiness, sadness, love, or fear the way humans do.
Exactly. Human intelligence is much more than knowledge. It includes empathy, common sense, personal experiences, and moral decisions. These are things that are still very difficult for AI to truly understand.
Some people worry that AI will replace many jobs in the future. We've already seen AI helping with customer service, transportation, education, programming, and even creating videos and artwork.
Yes, some jobs may change or disappear, but history shows that new technologies also create new opportunities. As AI grows, new careers and industries will appear. The key is to keep learning new skills and adapt to change.
So instead of fearing AI, maybe we should learn how to work with it.
Absolutely. People who understand AI and know how to use it wisely may have more opportunities in the future. AI should be a tool that helps people become more productive, not something that replaces human creativity completely.
Imagine a doctor using AI to find diseases faster, a teacher using AI to create better lessons, or an engineer using AI to design safer buildings. That sounds very helpful.
It really does. When humans and AI work together, they can solve problems that would be much harder to solve alone. The best future may not be humans versus AI, but humans working together with AI.
Of course, we must also be responsible. AI should always be developed and used in ways that respect people's safety, privacy, and rights.
I completely agree. Technology is powerful, but it's humans who decide how to use it. Wise decisions, good education, and ethical values will always be important.
So, will AI become smarter than humans? Maybe in some specific tasks, yes, but human intelligence is unique because it combines knowledge, emotions, creativity, and experience.
The future is exciting, and no one knows exactly what will happen. But one thing is certain. People who continue learning, improving their skills, and working with new technology will always have an advantage.
Now, we'd like to hear your opinion. Do you think AI will become smarter than humans one day?
Share your thoughts in the comments below. We can't wait to read your answers.
Today's discussion has shown us that artificial intelligence is one of the most powerful technologies ever created. Every year, it becomes faster, smarter, and more useful in many areas of our lives.
That's right, Kareem. AI can help doctors save lives, help students learn more effectively, assist businesses, and make many everyday tasks easier. When used responsibly, it has the potential to improve the world in amazing ways.
But no matter how advanced AI becomes, humans still have something very special: our creativity, emotions, imagination, and the ability to care for one another. These qualities make us unique.
Exactly. The future shouldn't be about humans competing with AI. Instead, it should be about humans and AI working together to solve problems, discover new ideas, and create a better future for everyone.
The most important thing is to keep learning. Technology will continue to change, but people who learn new skills and adapt to the future will always have great opportunities.
Don't be afraid of technology. Instead, understand it, use it wisely, and let it help you grow. Knowledge is one of the greatest investments you can make.
Now, it's your turn. Do you think AI will become smarter than humans in the future? Why or why not?
Share your opinion in the comments below. We'd love to hear what you think.
If you enjoyed today's English conversation, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to English with Kareem, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new episode.
Also, follow us on TikTok, English with Kareem, and like our Facebook page, Learn English with Kareem, for more English conversations and useful learning tips.
Keep practicing your English every day. Stay curious and never stop learning. The future belongs to those who are ready for it. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe, keep learning, and we'll see you in the next episode of English with Kareem. Goodbye.